Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Tamagotchi Nano X Jurassic Park 30th anniversary egg, dinosaur egg. You might want to do this for a couple of reasons. If the device is no longer responding, or it's not working, or it is glitching in any kind of way, this hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to wipe all of the information off of it and start anew, like as if you had a new egg, this will work as well. So what you need to do if you want to do this is go ahead and just keep in mind everything will be deleted when you do this. If you want to do this, just turn around to the back of the egg, and it's a little bit hard to see, but right over here on the right, there is a reset button. Now you can use like a paper clip or something to just push in there and hold it for a couple seconds. Just don't push too hard because it is kind of a rubbery plastic substance and that you could poke through and damage if you push too hard. And once you do that, it will hard reset to its factory default settings, and it will be like a new egg on the day it came out of the box when you got it.